5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Mid over crest, 250. Crest and flat right and flat left over crest. And mid right over crest, 80. Flat left over crest and mid right over crest, 80. Left over crest, 150. Flat left and care right 9 over crest and crest jump. Repeat, flat left and care right 9 over crest and crest jump. 80. Small crest, 100 line. Stay mid over 2 crests, 80. Care brake before crest and right 6. Repeat, 80. Care brake before crest, right 6. 30. Left 9 long. Flat right. Left 8 over crest. Be left 9 long. Flat right. Left 8 over crest. And right 8. Right 9. Left 8 over crest and right 9. And left 5 late off camber, half long. 30. Right 6 short, 300 line. Would be right 6 short, 300 line. Crest and right 7 over crest. 300 line here. Crest and right 7 over crest. 30. Right 8 over crest. 3 crest and right 7 over crest. 30. Right 8 over crest and left 9 over crest. 100 line. Right 7. 30. Small crest, right 8. Be right 7, 30, small crest, right 8. Into mid right over crest and left 7. And right 8 over crest. 50, flat right, into late left 7 over crest, half long, and small crest. And left 8 over big crest. 30, stay mid right over crest, 30. Flat crest, left 9. Repeat, 30 mid right over crest, 30 flat crest, left 9. 30, care late, right 7. Repeat, flat crest. 30, care, right 7. Late. 80 down. Left 9. 80. Left 9 over crest. 50 line. Crest and left 8 into right 7 over crest and crest right 8. Repeat, right 7 over crest and crest right 8 into crest 30. Stay right over crest 30. Left 7 plus over crest and crest right 8. Repeat, left 7 plus over crest and crest right 8. 50 mid right over jump 100 line. Left 9 over jump. Repeat, mid right over jump, 100 line. And left 9 over jump, 50 line. And right 9 over big crest, 30 down. Left 7 plus. Repeat, 30 down, left 7 plus. And right 7 after crest ends over second crest. Repeat, right 7 after crest ends over second crest. Left 9 up over crest continues over second crest. And right 8 tightens icy, care 6 plus short stay in. It'd be care icy right 8 tightens 6 plus short stay in into left 6 half long and right 8 half long and left 8. 50 right 7. 30 left 7. It'd be right 7 here. 30 left 7. 30 crest right 7 and left 7 plus over crest. We crest right 7 and left 7 plus over crest. 50 line. Left 5 over finish. 30. It'll be 50 line, left 5 over finish. 30, right 6. Left 5, 30, right 6. Okay.